Hi. 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 Hi.
So we're just gonna go ahead and put the wig on her so she can really look like
No.
me.
No. You're gonna put me there?
Yeah, well I have blue hair, homegirl. I don't have black hair like you.
Oh.
Ooh, qué bonita. So tell them a little bit about yourself, Eliza.
I don't know.
Tell them, what do you like to do?
I like to do...
Wait, I think this is going to be a little fluffy for your hair. Tell them what you like to do.
I like to paint.
What else? Sorry. Could you see? What else do you like to do?
I like to color.
Tell them how you're silly at school. And a lot of people tell you.
As some people tell me rude things, I say, what do you want with me? And I fuck them in the face.
You sock them in the face, girl? You're gonna get kicked out of school.
No, they don't kick me out of school. Okay, no!
Wait.
No, take this off.
Eliza, wait.
Take this off.
Wait, I need to put this on here. So I can... Your wig is gonna go on top. Watch, look at, hold on. It's gonna hide it. Let me see. This is... You know who you look like? You look like a robber.
I don't care. I look like God.
You look like God. How does God look like that?
Your head's like this.
Are you talking about Muslims? Oh, Jews, sorry.
I don't want to. I need to go back.
Like, I'll put your wig, like. And then it's gonna go over, like this. Oh, you look so cute, Eliza. Okay, so I'm pretty much gonna go ahead and put the same makeup that I have on today. I did do like a more natural look just so it could be a little bit easier and not heavy on her beautiful face. Okay. Silence! Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and... What the hell is my primer? Oh. So I'm gonna hydrate her face with my hydrating lotion right here. So anyways, as we were saying...
I need to close my eyes.
Yeah, you need to close your eyes. Unless you want to have it open and put some of this in your face. Look at me. Look this way. So tell them about yourself, Eliza.
I can't.
Why not?
I can't open my eyes.
Do you need to talk? Do you need to have your eyes open in order for you to talk? Close your mouth. Huh?
No.
Tell them. What's your name?
Eliza.
Tell them. Hi, my name's Eliza.
Hi, my name's Eliza.
Pineda.
Pineda.
How old are you, Eliza?
6.
Ooh, you just turned 6, huh?
Yeah. Okay. I got to put this in my phone.
Okay, look this way. I'll put some primer on her. So, tell them, are you in school right now?
Yes. No.
What grade are you in?
I don't know.
You don't know what grade you're in?
Yes, I don't know.
Tell them about yourself. What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play
With what? Look at me.
with Johnny.
You like playing with Johnny. What else?
I like to play with Gia.
You like playing with Gio? Who's Gio?
That's right.
He lives right next door. Tell them what you were telling me earlier. That you want me to leave the makeup on so Gio could tell you what.
Because he's gonna say they look cute.
Gio is my other nephew, okay, you guys? He lives downstairs, and my little niece is like a little hoe because she says she has 2 boyfriends. So,
I don't.
that's what you said to me last time. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the foundation on her.
I need to close my eyes.
You need to close your mouth.
Only my mouth?
And your eyes if you want to. Ew, so beautiful.
You did cover my scratch.
Yes, I covered her scratch. So anyways, I guess some girl scratched her at school and she's like, can you cover this for me? I don't want nobody to see it on camera. She's something else. I like Zona.
All the time calling my Zona.
I've always called her Lizona since she was little. I don't know why it just stuck and like a lot of people call her like that now. Oh, Lizona. Ew! Look over here.
Erica put me golden.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you gold eyelids.
I.
Hi!
I.
When I call her like on FaceTime and stuff, I always say that to her. Like instead of saying hi, like I go hi.
Hi.
Oh my god, I feel like it's my child. Jesus Christ.
You can call me daughter.
Oh, I can? I don't think your mom's gonna like that. She's gonna be like, that's my motherfucking daughter. Anyways, let me do your eyebrows, girl. So where are you gonna go after this?
To the store.
Yeah, what are you gonna buy at the store? Some calzones?
That's it.
Well, what else do you want?
I want a baby.
Oh, for your little car?
Yeah.
Tell them about your brother, Julian.
Julian scratched me.
He scratched you?
Yeah. When I was asleep, he got my hair.
Let me see. Look this way. I'm gonna draw your eyebrows, okay? So look down.
I'm an apple pen. Apple pen.
Okay, apple pen.
Oh,
Let me
one
say
time,
your eyebrows, girl. One time what?
Son said, Didi made up a sign that said,
Close your eye. One time what?
The son said, come on, old lady. She said, come on, old, nail. Come on, old nail. Come on, old nail.
Look down. I'm gonna put you gold shimmer. Close your eye. Come on, old nail.
We see them one more time.
Can you stop blinking?
I'm not blinking.
Yeah, you are. Don't squint your eyebrow. Your eyes. Your eyebrows. Ew, so pretty. Don't do that.
Sorry.
Excuse me, your hair is falling back.
Ow.
Look at over here. Look at over here. Tell them what you said about your eyebrows. Let me see. Close your eyes.
No. Doctor, when I went to take the whole thing, she said, don't put her makeup.
Oh, she said that? Oh, well, the doctor's dumb.
Yeah.
Anyways, let me put you some blush, homegirl. Like this. Ew, coming to get the girl. Look this way.
Guess what I look?
Don't say it on camera, don't.
I.
Don't. Oh my god, you're a freaking jerk.
Ooh, I always do that to my face.
Yeah, right. You said, who do I look like? You're a punk. You're a jerk.
I'm trying to get my whole lip red.
It's an inside joke that only her and I will understand, and some of my family members. We'll keep it there. Look down. Look down.
How?
Like this. No, not your face, just your eyes. Look down. Yeah, like that. I'm just gonna put a little bit of shimmer in here.
Shimmer and shine, genies divine. Shimmer and shine, genies divine. Ah.
Let me see. So, are you
know what Kayla did?
What did Kayla do?
She said that she don't want to be my friend anymore because I don't go to school more.
Who cares about Kayla? Ain't nobody worried about Kayla.
Boo, Kayla! I don't like you anymore.
Look down.
Ah, you're poking.
Oh, it's because you're not closing your eyes right. You're like squirming like a little freaking. You're beautiful no matter what they say.
I can keep her makeup on forever.
Yeah.
So when you go to the store, go.
Why are you embarrassed to go to the store with me like this?
Yes.
What? Me? Me or you?
Me.
Yeah, so they can be like, look at that little girl. She looks like her mom.
Not your mom.
You're my daughter.
Why did you say that? Because my mom's gonna hear that.
Your mom's not gonna say nothing. Look up. I'm gonna put your eyelashes. Look up. Can you open your Open your ojos.
Okay, I can't do it. Wow!
The amount of concentration.
Hi guys! We just ate right now.
Damn, so much for like trying to play it off. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some powder on her. Look this way. Look at the camera so they can see what I'm doing to your face. Close your mouth.
How do you call it?
What?
This.
Okay, next I'm going to apply her
Eyelashes.
I'm gonna have her as my assistant now. She'll be getting everything down, huh? So tell them what you just ate right now.
We ate tacos.
¿De qué?
De carne.
De carne.
That looks like pea.
This looks like pea? How does it look like pea?
Pea.
Yeah.
One time my stomach was
Okay, so while that dries, I'm gonna use the mini one for her. This one's mine. For you? For me. It's the same color.
Can I have it?
No. Just kidding. Close your mouth. Go like this. So, anyways, tell them about Julian.
Like that.
Oh, your mouth, huh?
Yeah.
Right. Like this.
I can't do it.
You're so funny. ¿Por qué checas la boca?
What?
You see, look at me. Go like this. Just relax your mouth. Relax it. No, relax it. Just go like this. Yeah, like that. Just keep it like that.
I'm falling.
Let me see. Oh, sorry, I was moving it. I didn't realize it. Go like this. Hmm?
It's dried.
What's dry?
My eyelash.
Oh, okay.
Look, it's a little bit dried. Okay. And then close my eye.
Yeah.
I don't want you to do it, okay? I got stuck. Yeah.
Open it.
Yeah. Take.
You see it?
I can take it off.
No, don't take it off. We're gonna put mascara on her eyelashes, her bottom ones. Look up. Up. It was a mission applying eyelashes to this little girl. Right?
Right.
Look up. Nice! Oh my goodness! You demon child. You see, look this way.
Now my sister's quite here.
So what? What is she gonna tell you?
I got to my mom.
What is your mom gonna say? Oh, look up. This is not gonna be a freaking... We're not gonna be able to do this. Let me see, look up. Look at... Yay! You look so cute! Twins!
Dance.
Eliza! We look the same. Look at us. So that's gonna be the end for this Make My Niece Look Like Me challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Pee out.